Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will cover the top 20 important medieval Indian history questions. Question 1. Who was the founder of the slave dynasty? Options A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Balban, D. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Correct answer A. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question 2. Which Sultan of Delhi was known as Lakh Baksh, the giver of lakhs? Options A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Balban, C. Qutbuddin Aibak, D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Correct answer C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question 3. Who built the Alai Darwaza? Options A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Iltutmish, D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Correct answer B. Alauddin Khilji. Question 4. Who introduced the market control system in Delhi Sultanate? Options A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Balban, C. Iltutmish, D. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Correct answer A. Alauddin Khilji. Question 5. Who shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Options A. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Ibrahim Lodi. Correct answer B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question 6. Who built the Qutub Minar? Options A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question 7. Who introduced token currency in India? Options A. Balban, B. Iltutmish, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Sher Shah Suri. Correct answer C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question 8. Who is considered the real founder of the Delhi Sultanate? Options A. Qutbuddin Aibak, B. Iltutmish, C. Razia Sultan, D. Balban. Correct answer B. Iltutmish. Question 9. Which ruler established the Diwan-i-Mustaq Raj? Options A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Iltutmish, C. Balban, D. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Correct answer A. Alauddin Khilji. Question 10. Who introduced Patta and Qabuliyat in the land revenue system? Options A. Sher Shah Suri, B. Akbar, C. Alauddin Khilji, D. Iltutmish. Correct answer A. Sher Shah Suri. Question 11. Which Mughal ruler built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? Options A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Akbar, D. Jahangir. Correct answer C. Akbar. Question 12. The Battle of Khanwa was fought in 1527 between Babur and whom? Options A. Rana Sanga, B. Ibrahim Lodi, C. Sher Shah Suri, D. Humayun. Correct answer A. Rana Sanga. Question 13. Which Mughal emperor introduced Din-i-Ilahi? Options A. Babur, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer B. Akbar. Question 14. The Peacock Throne was built during whose reign? Options A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer C. Shah Jahan. Question 15. Who built the Jama Masjid in Delhi? Options A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Aurangzeb, D. Humayun. Correct answer B. Shah Jahan. Question 16. The Battle of Haldighati in 1576 was fought between Akbar's army and whom? Options A. Rana Pratap, B. Rana Sanga, C. Sher Shah Suri, D. Ibrahim Lodi. Correct answer A. Rana Pratap. Question 17. Aurangzeb's reimposing of jizya tax was against which principle of Akbar? Question 18. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? Options A. Bahadur Shah I, B. Bahadur Shah to Zafar, C. Shah Alam II, D. Akbar II. Correct answer B. Bahadur Shah to Zafar. Question 19. Who introduced the Mansabdari system? Options A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Shah Jahan, D. Babur. Correct answer A. Akbar. Question 20. Who was defeated in the Battle of Talikota in 1565? Options A. Mughal Empire, B. Vijayanagar Empire, C. Bahmani Kingdom, D. Maratha Confederacy. Correct answer B. Vijayanagar Empire. This was today's session on medieval Indian history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GK videos. Thank you for watching.